Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to do this basic 5 challenge. So in the previous videos, we have completed the basic 4 challenges. Then let's move to the next challenge. So here we have level 5. So it is same as level 4. We don't have to do nothing different. So just see, Sam has gotten wise to all people who wrote their own forms to get the password. Rather than actually learn the password, he decided to make his email program a little more secure. So we have to do nothing, just simply the level 4 steps. So first we have to do the inspect element. So we have to just intercept the email address and edit. So here we have method post and then go to this form. So you can see this input type, this email address, just change it and then type your own email address. So gmail.com. So it's done. Let's see or let's talk. Okay, and then go to this send password to Sam. So here we have password reminder successfully sent to this email. So go to my Gmail account. So here we have the other reminder. So here we have this and here it is the latest one. Just copy from here and then just go back one step and then paste over here. Simply just submit over here. So congratulations, you have successfully completed basic 5 language. So guys, thank you guys for watching my video. Please give thumbs up. In the next video I will show you how to do the basic 6 challenge. So please stay tuned for our YouTube channel. This is Ahmad signing off.